everyone, this is Sam straight from the cosmetics counter at London Drugs. As a beauty advisor, I'm here to walk you through a quick and effective daytime skincare routine. I'll show you how to properly layer products, in which order and why. Also, you'll learn that you can mix and match brands, perfect if you're on a budget but want some high-end products too. One of the things I get asked about a lot is skin barrier support. Start with a gentle cleanser in the morning. You want something that refreshes your skin without stripping it, especially in the winter when the skin barrier is more sensitive. Next is a toner or essence. Think of this as the step that preps your skin to absorb everything else more effectively. For daytime, I like using a vitamin C serum. It brightens, helps with uneven skin tone, and works beautifully under sunscreen. I get asked quite often if you can layer a vitamin C with a niacinamide. The answer is yes, you can. Next, you'll want to choose a moisturizer based on your skin type. We have great options at every price point, from lightweight gels to rich creams. And last, your most important daytime step, sunscreen. SPF 30 or higher every single day, even when it's cloudy. If you're traveling, pack minis or refillable bottles and keep a travel SPF stick or mist in your bag for reapplication. You can find all these products here in the cosmetics department at London Drugs. Come by and we can help you build a routine that fits your skin and your budget. Love hearing about skincare and beauty tips? Be sure to check out more videos from the cosmetics counter.